How to mark the WhatsApp messages as unread with the new update. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. With the new WhatsApp update, you can mark the messages as unread. So, in order to do so, first of all, head over to Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and type in WhatsApp. Tap on the install button, which will automatically start the download as well as the installation. It might take few seconds in order to complete, then after launch the app. Now, long press the message that you want to set up as unread. After that, tap on the three dots and then tap on mark as unread. This way you'll get a green button or a mark on that message. This indicates the message is not read. Do the same for all other conversation that you want. Now if you open the conversation, the green dot will be removed indicating the message has been read then. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.